Welcome to the How To series. In this episode, we will show you how to download the Uniview apps. Let's get started. First, download the apps from Uniview's official website. Click Quick Link. Uniview App Store. All Uniview apps are displayed here. Click Download. A QR code will appear. Scan the QR code. Click Download to start the installation file download. The download status is shown here. Wait until it completes. Open the file to begin the installation. This notification will show if the apps are not from the mobile phone's app store. Uniview apps are safe to install. Ignore the notification and confirm to continue. After installation finishes, you can launch the app. Second, download the apps by scanning the QR code on the device's color box. Scan the QR code. The apps will appear. Click Download to execute the installation. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.